Alright folks, Mr. Penn sent me these pruning scissors in return for me doing a video, and so we're going to check them out. And they come locked. There's a slide there to unlock them, lock them back in place, and plastic and stuff all seems to be really good quality. Just got a good feel to it. These things look to be pretty sharp. So I'm going to give these to the wife. She's the gardener, and I like the fact that you can lock that from either side. Some of these things have a locking mechanism, but you can only access it from one side, versus this one's got the locking mechanism on either side. Anyway, we're going to give these to her, let her check them out. These little pruning shears. So far I've got some carabiners and stuff from Mr. Penn. They seem to make some pretty good stuff, and it's usually pretty cheap. I'll put the price of these compared to you know, buying these from Lowe's or something, or get them from a nursery. You'll really pay through the nose for this kind of stuff, but this stuff's pretty reasonably priced. Oh, and let's not forget, it comes with a Mr. Penn mustache sticker. Gotta love those. It says, for any reason you're not happy with your order, just email them. They'll replace it or refund your order, no questions asked. It's a pretty good deal. Alright, Laura here's gonna trim these tomato plants back a little bit. They work good?
Yeah, nice and sharp.
Nice and sharp, okay.
Nice and sharp.
That's what she says. You can't hear her because
Nice
she talks
sharp.
like she's talking to herself all the time.